Good morning. I'm going to be doing a day in the life with me and my two children. This is Sienna. You say hi. Hi. Stop. So, yeah. She's already getting ready. I'm doing her hair. Ralph is outside. Don't mind her face. She needs her face white. But come on this day in the life with me. We're going to be going out on a little bit shopping. I'm going to be getting them some clothes. A little bit, not a lot. But I do want to go to a different store another day. But for today, we're going to be going to the mall and see what they got up in there. So, they need some winter clothes. They got boots. Their aunt has bought them boots. She got a jacket for Christmas. She got boots for Christmas, for her birthday. I say Christmas. They would just need a jacket, and then they just need some clothes and jeans and pajamas. So I'm gonna go try to find some today. And yeah, that's about it. Do a little bit of shopping. That's an eye. Ooh, come on with me as I get ready. And I'm getting them ready, but I'm about to get dressed because they all not already. She's only dressed. Ava gotta get dressed. I gotta get dressed. And then you're gonna see us. And I'm not gonna be shopping while I'm gonna be recording while we're out. So I might just show coming back. Because I know I'm not gonna remember, and I know I'm gonna be the one driving. I'm not gonna be able to record because I don't have a car tripod. So see you in a minute when I'm getting ready. Look at that little face. She's watching TV. You see? Bubble guppies. Say hi. Say bye. I'm about to get my hair done. Okay. Okay, that's a little bun. Can you see it? Cute little bun. It's a little crazy because she kept freaking moving. Alright, I'm about to get ready. And then, I don't know what you were doing. I guess she's going to be staying here because where's she at? Where's she at? Not in here. She's staying up here. Alright, I need to wipe her face. And then, yeah. I'm a little still, throat hurt. I've been taking this medicine. It's literally almost gone. I just went and got this medicine last night. This throat issues. It felt like it was going away, and now it's like back and it's hurting again. So I was taking some Halls and stuff. I'm gonna get your shoes, man. Just wait. We do have to go downstairs. Yeah, I need to charge this camera, so I'll be right back. Ava. Here's Ava. All dressed. This is her outfit she picked out. This is what you got that right there. So cute. Did I pick out my own outfit?
Me pick out my own bag.
What?
My own outfit.
Okay, and I'm ready. My hair looks a little crazy on this side. Here's the outfit. It's like, what's it called? Flared pants. Ooh. And this jean jacket. And of course my necklace.
Ready to go.
Alright, see you in a minute when we come back because I'm not vlogging while we're out.
Be back in a second.
What are you talking about back there?
Be back in a second.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna show you what we got when we come back.
be back in this. Peace out of badgies.
Peace. Oh, he's so cute. Hello, I'm back. It is the end of the day. It's dark. Well, one, because the TV is off. I can't find the remote. I found it. So, who wants a haul? Let's do a big haul. I got the kids' clothes and all random other stuff. So let's show you. The TV is on, so that's why it's bright. Okay, so let's start with this stuff. It smells delicious. I love it. It smells like a cookie. I got some body wash. My throat was hurting me, that's why. Yeah, I need to get whole. Some lotion. I've been eating lotion. Got some lotion. Deodorant. Was this from yesterday? I think I got this from Walmart. Deodorant. That's from Target. Got some pads. Tampons. I don't wear those. I don't wear no pads. I got a game from Five Below. It's just gonna be Five Below, Target, and Dollar General because that's where I went. Mancala. I'm not gonna show the kids toys because it's downstairs and they got it, so I'm not showing that. Socks from Five Below. Candy, Five Below. The kids got their own, pick their own, get 10 bites for $1. Of course it's more than 10. Who really just gets 10? I got this cute shirt from Five Below. I wanted more shirts, but the kids were really getting on my nerves. So, yeah. Got this cute shirt from Five Below. Size medium. Their large was huge, so I just got a medium. It's going to shrink in a wash, so I don't know why I didn't just get the large. Whatever. Five Below. I'm all the way to Target. Got these jeans. It's just like regular jeans with a little cut and little thingy thingies on it. Can you close my door? Thank you. These from Target. I got these slippers because I need new slippers. My slippers are just like disgusting. Ava got a new jacket from Target. You hear the whining? It's Ava. Ava got a new jacket. I love it because it got the little armhole. Oops. The little armhole, like the thumb. Oh, cute. Jacket. Ava, please. I'm making a video. I got Pudge, a little costume. She's gonna be Nutella. Look at her. Cute. She's gonna be adorable. And Ava got this from Target. I got everything bigger size, so it can be a little baggy because nobody got time to constantly keep buying clothes. Yeah, I got them bigger size because yeah, I don't want to constantly keep going back. So yeah, pajamas. I just pulled down the thingy. I said give men a 1.
You didn't one?
Yeah. Close the door, please. Okay, and I got these headphones from Five Below because I needed some new ones. I got this big thing of what's it called? Refill soap. It's like a huge husky thing. It's in the bathroom already, so I'm not getting that. I'll just tell you that I got it. These are some pajamas for men. Staying the bottom parts of it. I don't know where the top is. There's a top to it. So cute. Of course I got it big size, so 1, it shrinks in the wash, and 2, so it can have it for longer. Ava shirt. Yeah, Ava shirt. It's so cute. This is Ava's. This is Minna's. This is Minna's. I said I wanted to go a little winter shopping, and I did. Winter clothes shopping. All Ava need is boots. Sienna got, hold on, she got this jacket from her auntie from Target, if you want to know. And they got some other pajamas from Walmart yesterday, but I don't feel like doing all that. These Ava pants, jeans, yeah, they're a little big, but like I said, you're gonna go a little size up or two. These are Ava's. They're so cute. I love them. Like, they're like little tiny people. Little humans. Yeah, Ava's. Ava got a pair of jeans like this. I think maybe the exact same. Let me find it. Literally, they're the exact same. These are Ava's that she's been wearing for the past 2 years. They're 4T. And here's Minna's. Hers is 2T. They're the exact same. This is Ava's. Ah, I love that soap. It smells so yummy. My throat hurts. That's why I'm slow. I need to get the mic. I need to get a mic. We had a mic, but yeah. Minna's pants. Just gotta find it. And these Minna jeans. So cute. And then the Minna's pajamas. So, yeah. That's all that I got. I want to show you what their aunt got. Their boots. Hold on. Their aunt got them some Ugg boots. Upside down? I don't know. They're little spoiled kids. These are some spoiled kids, I tell you. Yeah, she got them boots. I wanted a pair of boots like that, but I don't want to pay all that money. If I do, I'm gonna get me cheapo boots from Dee or Former Mills. You got Former Mills near you? I don't know, but yeah, it's the same exact boots for Minna's. Cause there's some spoiled kids, of course. That's it. I'm done. This is going to be the end of this video. I got me another puzzle. Because I love puzzles. And it's another 1,000 piece, which is going to take a minute. So guess who going to be ready? The boyfriend better be. Because we're going to be doing this puzzle. Maybe this weekend. If not, then another weekend. But, yeah. And I still need to figure out Minna, where she going to go. Her play place thingy. So yeah, I still not figured that out. I dropped that. I gotta pick that up. And yeah, that's everything. Hold on. I got them these slippers yesterday. How cute. They're matching, of course. The minute I got home pair. Oh shoot! I said I wanted to get them a robe. Whatever. I'll do that another time. I'll probably order that. I don't feel like going shopping anymore. Kids. Shopping with kids, 2 of them that's running up and down. Nobody got time. Okay, I know I'm low. I can't get any higher. I probably can. I'll just get a little closer. Yeah, my hair's a mess. My throat hurts. I need to take some more medicine and a cough drop. But yeah, and some of this. This has been good. I love the smell of this. Just rub it right on in there. Just be sniffing it. But yeah, this is going to be the end of this video. That was 10 minutes of me doing a haul. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe. Subscribe. I'm going to keep saying it. You can't click it. It's just, I just like it popping up on the screen. But click that little white button down there. Subscribe. It's free. It don't cost you anything. It's free. No membership, no nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna go take my clothes off. I wanted to order some pizza for the house, but the little sister, is cooking chili, and I really like some chili, so I might just sit there and wait for chili. If not, then I'll eat something, a little snacky snack. But that's gonna be it. Peace out. See you in the next video.